Hello and welcome to this edition of Vision for Health. My name is Dr. Maurice Piscitano, and I'm excited to be your host and to share with you what could possibly be the single largest breakthrough in improving your health and well-being, and it's available to you today. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to spend a few moments with us. The time that you will invest watching this program will be worth every moment if we can teach you how to improve your health. It's no secret that in today's culture, we are experiencing a higher level of stress than just a few short years ago. Research shows that these higher levels of stress can affect your health in a negative way, robbing you from the ability to achieve your highest possible health potential. Along with these higher levels of stress are conditions that can be obstacles to achieving your optimum health potential. These are conditions such as headaches. For example, you may or may not know this, that over 50 million people suffer from headaches. 12 million of them experience headaches every single day. Or perhaps back pain is a culprit. Did you know that back pain is the most common cause of disability in North America, and that over 80% of the population will experience lower back pain at some time in their life? The ProAdjuster clinical system of chiropractic has been instrumental in helping doctors from across the globe improve the health and well-being of tens of millions of people, one patient at a time. You very well could be the next one. In less than 2 decades, this revolutionary system of healthcare has expanded to over 10 countries and has been used in over 25 million office visits. The ProAdjuster clinical system of patient management has been in development for decades, and there are dozens and dozens of dedicated doctors of chiropractic, medical physicians, engineers, and researchers to thank for this truly innovative and revolutionary system of health and wellness. Dr. Steve King is one of those dedicated chiropractors that I'm pleased to have be part of the ProAdjuster clinical system of chiropractors worldwide. Dr. King has been in private practice for more than 31 years. He has treated thousands of families in this area and takes great pride in serving the military personnel of the Naval Postgraduate School, the Defense Language School, and their families. Additionally, Dr. King is a United States Army Special Forces Green Beret veteran and is currently the Vice President of the Special Forces Association, Chapter 14, Monterey. Dr. King has taught martial arts for more than 45 years and is presently the chief instructor for the Okinawa Karate Do Goju-Ryu Shoreikan in the Western United States. He is truly an outstanding individual and terrific, dedicated doctor of chiropractic. What you may not know is that chiropractors attend undergraduate pre-medical education prior to chiropractic school. And that includes over 4,485 classroom hours of education and over 2,500 examinations. State board approval is required along with approval through the Council on Chiropractic Education, which is accredited by the United States Department of Education. I say this to let you know that doctors of chiropractic are seriously credentialed. The ProAdjuster clinical system of patient management incorporates cutting-edge technology with old-world philosophy of health and wellness methodologies. Chiropractors for well over 100 years have been helping patients improve their health and well-being in areas of their life that the average individual in the general population does not usually realize. That's the purpose of this program. I wanted to be able to share with you what your new chiropractor can do for you. That is, your new ProAdjuster chiropractor. The ProAdjuster clinical system utilizes computerized sophistication and modern technology as part of a comprehensive evaluation to determine if chiropractic is right for you. If it is found by your chiropractor to be the best method of improving your health and well-being, the ProAdjuster system will allow for comfortable, consistent, and standardized care. You'll notice to the left of this video screen that there are topics that you can select from. At any point in this program, if you would like to review these particular health conditions, simply click on the one that interests you most and a new video program will start. And it will explain that condition and how we might be able to help you. Some of the most common problems include headaches, back pain, fatigue, sports injuries, sleep difficulty, allergies, arm and leg problems, mood swings. There's even information about the ProAdjuster computerized treatment. There are many other conditions not listed here that patients often come to us for, and they include, but are not limited to, poor posture, weight management, nutrition, and even arthritis pain. When the nervous system is not functioning properly because of pressure or stress in the nervous system, we refer to that condition as nerve impingement syndrome. We, as chiropractors, specialize in locating, evaluating, and improving the condition of nerve impingement syndrome, so to help your body regain its optimal health. The handheld device is positioned in the area that has difficulty. The ProAdjuster computer helps the doctor determine the proper adjustment for this area so that they can help you improve your health and well-being. The gentle tapping can vary based on the particular condition, from as little as 5 pounds for a child all the way up to 35 pounds as an example for a professional football player. After the adjustment with the ProAdjuster and our other methods, we will reassess with the same computer system so patients know on each and every visit that we can see how the spine is functioning. You can compare before and after, so there's nothing left to chance. You're going to love the ProAdjuster.